February, which everyone knows is usually Black History Month. But it's actually a poem I wrote a while back just simply called Black Woman. Don't worry, it's nothing offensive. It's nothing offensive to anybody, really. Go ahead. I love all women, no matter shape or color, but the black woman, to me, she's like no other. Often overlooked, that ebony queen has been a shame and a tragedy to blow past her like the wind, to miss that smooth skin, to taste those full lips, those hips that say, "Come here, my king." Should be a sin, it should be a sin to enjoy this. For all her trials, both shared and carried alone, she has been through it all, standing in a league of her own. Don't misunderstand me, for I hold no ills for the others, Hispanic, Asian, and white, for true love has no color. If they are my destiny, and God says it's true, know this, black woman, I will always remember you. For you gave birth to me, taught me how to stand, to walk with dignity and respect, in a sense, helped me to be a man. I love all women, no matter shape or color, but the black woman,